search Noobs in the search bar, then click on the link that says raspberrypi.org, and then download Noobs in the zip file from there. Now when you copy it over, I like to be safe and added both the zip file and the unzipped version of that. And then once this is copied over, eject it, and then you want to plug it into a Pi. Then you can select what operating system you would like to install from that. Once you have your files copied over, you want to go into this folder and copy everything inside of it. And then paste that here. And then once that's done, then you can plug it in. This should work with all three versions of the Pi, because the folder's in there, the zip file's in there, and then all the files in there separately. So once you plug your SD card into the Pi, you can just select which operating system you want to use. You want to click Raspbian because it's the most common, it's easiest to use. So you click on it and you just click install. And it'll just install and it'll be all ready to use.